Hello, welcome back to the UltFone channel. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to use UltFone iOS system repair, which supports the latest iOS 15. Let's get started. You can find the link in the description down below. First, launch UltFone iOS system repair on your computer. We can see 4 features on the home screen: iOS system repair, enter recovery mode, exit recovery mode, and reset device. Let's start with the enter recovery mode feature. First, connect your iPhone to the computer and unlock it. Tap Trust this computer if prompted. Then go ahead and click Enter recovery mode. In seconds, you'll see the Connect to Laptop icon. Just like this. To exit recovery mode is also very easy. All you have to do is hit the Exit Recovery Mode button. Then, here you go. The repair mode of UltFone iOS system repair can solve more than 150 system problems of devices. From the home screen, click Start button. Here are 2 options for you. Standard repair mode can repair the iPhone without losing data. The deep repair is for serious problems and will erase data. First, let's go with standard repair. Download the firmware to a location where has enough space. Then, we can start repairing. It'll be done in few minutes. OK, the screen shows that the repair is completed. If the issue with the phone still persists, you can try the deep repair here for higher success rate. It can also help you unlock the phone if you forgot the lock screen passcode. Once done, you'll see the Hello screen. And then you can set it up as a new device. In the last part here, I'd like to show you how to use the Reset Device feature. On the home screen, click Reset Device on the bottom. Then you'll see 2 options here. The factory reset can restore your phone to factory settings even when you forgot the passcode, while the general reset will show you how to reset your phone in settings. Let's try the general reset here. As you can see, this is a guide showing you how to do it in settings on your iPhone. Let's switch back and see how the factory reset works. So we click on the factory reset option this time. Download the firmware. And then, here we go. Very easy and straightforward. Well done, it says the reset is completed. So guys, this is how to use UltFone iOS system repair. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. I'll see you in the next video.